Welcome everyone. Today we're exploring the DXZ upgraded A4 DTF printer with film cutter, a high-speed printer designed to make DIY t-shirt and fabric printing easier and more efficient. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this printer at the best price. This printer stands out primarily for its XP606 color printhead, which delivers double the speed compared to the L1800 and L805 models, making it perfect for both hobbyists and small businesses. With a super high resolution of 2800 by 1400 dpi, every print comes out vibrant, sharp, and full of life, whether you're printing on light or dark fabrics. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in white ink stirring system, which prevents clogs and ensures a smooth, consistent white ink flow for professional-looking results every time. The DXZ printer is versatile, handling both the 4 rolls and sheets up to 8.27 inches wide. It comes with a semi-automatic cleaning system and an upgraded roller feeder to reduce film feeding issues, ensuring your printing process is reliable and stress-free. The package itself is comprehensive, including the printer, an A4 DTF oven, a 100-meter DTF film roll, 5 250 milliliters ink bottles, DTF powder, cleaning accessories, and a flash drive with instructional videos. This all-in-one kit lets you start printing immediately without worrying about missing components. Another major advantage is the included 2-year supply of ink and powder delivered every 2 months. This not only saves costs but ensures uninterrupted printing without running out of supplies. While the printer is powerful and reliable, beginners might need a short learning curve to get familiar with settings and handling the film correctly. Overall, this printer is a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their printing setup with speed, precision, and convenience. For professional quality results with vibrant prints and minimal hassle, check the link in the description below to get your DXZ upgraded A4 DTF printer and start creating stunning designs today.